Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a custom expense category in ProjectionLab. To get started, open ProjectionLab in your browser and sign in if prompted. On the left side of the screen, look for the Plan dropdown. This is where you can switch between different plans in your workspace. Open that dropdown and select the plan you want to work with. For this walkthrough, we'll use a sample plan, but the steps are the same for any plan you choose. With your plan open, move to the bottom navigation and select Expenses. This takes you to the section where all recurring and one-time spending items live. On the right side, locate the Add button and click it to create a new expense entry. If you see a choice of item types, select Expenses to tell ProjectionLab you're adding a spending category rather than income or transfers. A form will appear where you can define the details. Start by entering a clear name for your expense. Pick something you'll recognize later in reports and charts. Next, enter the amount. This is the cost for each occurrence based on the frequency you'll set in a moment. Double check that the currency matches your plan settings so your totals roll up correctly. Now choose the frequency. This controls how often the expense repeats, such as monthly or annually. Think about how it actually occurs in your life so projections stay realistic. After that, open the time range controls. Set the start to before current year if this expense has been ongoing, and set the end to end of plan so it continues throughout your projection. If you prefer to model a shorter window, you can always adjust these later, but for now, we'll keep it spanning the full plan. Navigate back from the time range and open Change Over Time. Here you can select a change pattern that reflects how this expense might grow or shrink. For example, you might choose a steady increase to represent inflation, or leave it flat if you expect it to stay constant. Pick the option that best fits the behavior you anticipate. Go back once more and open Flexibility. This is where you choose the spending type, which helps ProjectionLab understand whether this cost is fixed or more discretionary. Selecting the right type improves scenario modeling and makes sensitivity analyses more meaningful. When everything looks good, click Add to save your new expense category. You'll be returned to the expenses list with your item included, and it will now feed into your plan's cash flow, savings projections, and long-term outcomes. That's it. You've created a custom expense category in ProjectionLab.